Hi lovely viewers, it's me again, your one and only Mtati Mpundu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great content every week. Don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section below. I'll be super glad to hear from you lovely viewers.
That the weeping may endure for a night, joy comes in the morning. Ecclesiastes said there is time for everything. You have wept, you have cried, and you have been humiliated for good 6 years by Edgar Lungu. Tomorrow, you have the power in your hand to liberate yourself from criminals, from cadres, from killers, and from looters. The power is in your hand. I just want to say my last word to you, the people of Zambia. As you go to vote, bear this in mind. Election can only be rigged if you did not come out from your house to go and vote in number. Election can only be rigged if you vote and you don't protect your vote. These are the things that you will do tomorrow. Number one, as early as possible, wake up from your house. Wake up everybody in your house eligible to vote. Go with them to the polling station. Cast your vote. When you cast your vote, don't go. Be there. Make sure that the vote is counted in your presence. The vote is announced in your presence. Then you can go home. Once that is done, your victory is secured. As you are voting, be very, very careful. Be very alert. Once you see anything sinister, once you see them trying to bring ballot box to sneak it in, try to play their tricks, alert others. Arrest them. Citizen arrest is allowed. If police cannot do it, you can do it. This time around, they will not be able to steal your glory. Remember that a vote for PF or a vote to PF is a vote saying thank you to cadres. It's a vote saying thank you to looters. It's a vote saying continue what you are doing. It's a vote saying thank you to Zambian police for killing this innocent boy. A vote for PF is a vote saying thank you to Edgar Lungu for gassing this innocent girl. A vote to PF is a vote saying thank you Edgar Lungu for people being bent in gassing incident, innocent people losing their lives because of Edgar Lungu and PF government. It's a vote saying thank you for killing Nsama, a family man that woke up thinking that he was going to fend for his family. He was shot by PF police. Remember, as you are voting for PF, you are voting and saying thank you and telling them to continue. The next person they are going to kill is you. So be careful as you vote. A vote for PF is saying thank you PF for killing a lot of innocent people. Thank you for treating Sintembo like this. Thank you for empowering your cadres to kill and brutalize people anyhow they want. When you are voting for PF, remember you are saying thank you for killing Vespa. All these and many more are people that have died. They have no one to speak for them. They have no one to fight for them. But tomorrow, you have the power to speak for them. You have the power to avenge their blood by voting out the useless government, by voting out the PF government. Enough is enough. When you are voting for PF, you are voting for cadres to continue terrorizing traders at Intercity, in all the bus stations. Voting for PF, you are voting for Chilufya Chitalu to come back and finish the job that he didn't finish. Chilufya Chitalu has killed innocent people through supplying of fake drugs. Thousands of Zambians have died. Thousands of Zambians have lost their marriages. Thousands of Zambians are sick because of the condom that is supplied. And when you are voting for PF, you are voting for them to continue. When you are voting for PF, you are voting for criminals. You are voting for you are voting for cadres to continue dominating. You are voting for youths not to be employed. You are voting for doctors and nurses not to be paid. You are voting for teachers not to be employed or paid less. You are voting to empower cadres. Be wise as you vote tomorrow. The chance that you have in your hand tomorrow, you will never have it again anytime. This is an opportunity to show them, show Bowman Losambo, that power belongs to the people. He was moving around, going from here and here, beating people up and down like a baby. It is time to reward him. Vote and show Tutwen Glube that youths can never be broken. That the power belongs to the hand of the people, not the government. Vote and tell Bowman Losambo that surely we are disgruntled youth because of the useless government that we have in place. This is your time to prove that you have insanity. This is your time to prove that you love your country. It's not all about who to vote for. If you don't like HH, vote for Calabar. If you don't like Calabar, vote for Nefas Mumba. If you don't like Nefas Mumba, vote for Sintembo. There are so many other people that you can vote, but a vote to PF is a taboo, and your generation to come will not forgive you. Remember, a vote for PF or to PF is a vote empowering your country to be given over to the Chinese. A vote, a single vote to PF is a vote to the Chinese. It's a vote saying, thank you, we need to be recognized again. It's a vote. Any vote that you give to PF, you are voting for them. They are coming in full force. Chinese. A vote to PF is a vote to Chinese. It's a vote to come and take over your wife, take over your work, take over everything, take over your country. And do you want to be a slave in your own country? A vote for PF is an abomination. Vote for change. I wish you good luck tomorrow. The decision is in your hand. God bless you.
Alright, that's all right for you today, lovely viewers. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about the video you just watched in the comment section below. I'll be super glad to hear from you, lovely viewers. Once again, I go by the name of Mutati Mpundu. I love you, peace, I gotta go.